To keep rabbits from chewing on smaller shrubs and trees, which I live in Minnesota, in the wintertime food gets kind of scarce. And what I do is I take just some chicken wire. It has pretty small hole openings. This piece is a bit too long, but it'll work. Just what I'm doing is just wrap this around the tree. And I stay out a ways, just because then the wire kind of stands up by itself. And it used to be difficult. I'll just wrap this around. And then there's this wire. Just loop it through there and carefully bend that over. That'll hold that in place. And for the most part, keep the rabbits out unless we get snow that's taller than this wire, which happens in Minnesota. We can get 4 feet of snow and the rabbits could have access. Then may have to add more wire up higher. Originally I used this wire, which has small openings down towards the bottom, or it could be the top. I put this end down, but then up towards the top the openings get bigger. This is about 4 inches by 4 inches, and last year we had a lot of snow, and the snow got up about a foot tall. Then the rabbits stay on top of the snow. They could go right through these larger openings and get to the tree or the shrub. And so then well, that's not going to work. So then I went to the chicken wire. Be sure and check out my other videos.